When you are in need of septic service, trust the experts. Norbill Disposal Service, providing septic system cleaning and repairs, designs for new installations and replacements for both residential and commercial customers in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. A properly working septic tank system is vital to your family's health and safety. Our trained professionals always provide a thorough cleaning and inspection to ensure that any small septic issues you may be facing now don't turn into costly catastrophes later on. For decades, our customers have trusted Norbill Disposal Service to alert them to any problems that might exist in an honest, friendly, and courteous manner. For trusted septic cleanings and repairs, choose the experienced professionals at Norbill Disposal Service in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. We expertly handle all residential and commercial septic issues, whether it's a routine cleaning or emergency repair. We do our best to match any competitor's price, and we're on call 24 hours a day. Our family-owned and operated company has been proudly serving the Doylestown area for over 50 years, and we look forward to making sure you keep on flushing. Contact Norbill today for fast, reliable service. 215-348-2123.